How to perform or how to do spot trading on OKX wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can do spot trading or how you can perform spot trading on OKX. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple. You can simply open up OKX wallet, and here make sure you are verified to your account in order to perform any sort of trading. Now, in my case, I'm not verified, but I'll just be guiding you through. You can simply tap on the trade option at the bottom of your screen, and here you should be able to head into the spot trading option here. Now in my case, I'm not verified, so it's directly taking me to spot trading, but you'll have to choose from the top. For spot trading, you'll have to choose the spot trading option. However, once here you can select the crypto exchange that you wish to perform at the top left corner by tapping on drop down and then selecting it. Once you select it, you can select the order type. You can see limit order by tapping on the drop down, limit order, market order, TPSL, advanced limit order, trailing stop, trigger, and such. So you can select the amount, and then you'll be able to see the total, and then you can tap and buy and go ahead and perform spot trading. However, if you're having confusion with the app interface, if you are a beginner, then you can simply tap on three dots at the top right corner and you'll see the demo trading option. You can tap on demo trading and you can go ahead and perform demo trading, practice it, and then later do live trading. So this is how you can perform spot trading on OKX. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.